In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a streamlined workflow in n8n to automate the process of uploading videos from Google Drive directly to YouTube. This tutorial is perfect for those who regularly transfer content and want to save time by eliminating repetitive manual tasks. To get started, we need to establish a new workflow in n8n. This will be the foundation for our automation process, so let's set it up carefully to ensure everything runs smoothly. First, we'll add a trigger node. This node is essential as it will initiate our entire workflow. In our case, we'll opt for a Google Drive node. The primary function of this node will be to monitor a designated folder in your Google Drive for any new video files. This means whenever you drop a new video into that specific folder, our workflow will be triggered to start the whole uploading process. Next, we need to add a node that will handle the download of the video file. This node will access the file ID from the initial trigger node, which allows it to fetch the correct video file directly from Google Drive. It's important here to ensure that the node is configured to download the file securely and efficiently, maintaining the quality of the original video. Moving on, it's time to add a YouTube node to our workflow. However, for those seeking greater stability, you might consider using an HTTP request node instead. This node is responsible for uploading the video to YouTube. If you're opting for the YouTube node, you'll want to select the Upload Video operation. While doing this, set up your YouTube credentials by integrating your client ID and secret from the Google Cloud Console. On the other hand, if you're going with the HTTP request node, you'll begin by generating a YouTube upload URL. After that, utilize the PUT method to effectively upload your video file data as a binary file to that URL. Once the upload node is in place, it's crucial to configure the upload parameters accurately. This involves specifying details such as the video title, description, privacy status, region code, and the category under which your video is uploaded on YouTube. Paying attention to these settings ensures your upload aligns with your branding and reaches the correct audience. Finally, during the upload process, you will need to grant n8n access to your Google account. This is a straightforward step, but an essential one, as it allows n8n to securely upload videos to your YouTube channel. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete this authentication process, ensuring that all permissions are correctly set up. And there you have it. With this workflow in place, you now have a fully automated system for transferring your